Samsung's 2025 Galaxy Watch 8 series delivers three tailored models: the compact Watch 8 Base, the mid-tier Watch 8 Classic, and the rugged Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Although they share many core features, like Samsung's newest chipset and cohesive health suite, each differentiates itself through design, usability, endurance, and user intent. This revamped article explores every angle: design, display, performance, battery life, fitness/smart features, durability, pricing, and real-world usability. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Samsung's wearable roster now spans Galaxy Watch 8, offered in sleek 40mm and 44mm sizes. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, a 46mm model targeting fans of analog-style controls with an iconic rotating bezel. Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, a beefy 47mm powerhouse built for adventure and endurance. All three models run Samsung's latest Wear OS 5 with a One UI Watch 6 overlay, amplifying user experience with smart dynamic watch faces, seamless app integration, and revamped health tracking. One of the most notable upgrades is internal memory. Classic and Ultra 2 now offer 64GB of onboard storage, double last year's capacity. Base Watch 8 retains 32GB, sufficient for notifications and basic health tracking. Why it matters: store extensive music libraries, podcasts, offline fitness classes. Host larger, data-dense wellness apps like VO2 Intermis, guided training, third-party niche sports apps. Future-proofing for upcoming fitness and productivity tools. Keywords: expandable watch storage, local media, offline podcast watch, power user smartwatch. Watch 8 Base. Sizes: 40mm and 44mm. Lightweight, minimal bezel, ideal for smaller wrists or users seeking a discreet footprint. Watch 8 Classic. 46mm, adding a tactile rotating bezel, blending traditional horology with modern tech. Larger case equals a slightly beefier battery. Watch Ultra 2. 47mm, maxed out, form factor. The biggest Samsung watch yet, but not just in appearance. It houses the largest display and battery in the lineup. Keywords: bezel smartwatch, compact smartwatch, large screen false-proof wearable, analog feel tech. Displays across the board maintain AMOLED brilliance, high resolution, and robust outdoor readability. However, slightly larger canvas than the base models. Ultra 2 peaks with its expanded screen, ideal for maps, e.g., on hikes or runs, in-depth fitness stats, or visual data-heavy apps. Keywords: AMOLED outdoor readability, high-res fitness metrics display, outdoor hiking map watch. All three variants are powered by Samsung's Exynos W10 chip and uniform RAM/storage configurations per tier. Performance is identical. Apps launch quickly, UI animations are buttery smooth, multitasking is low lag. So whether you choose the entry 40mm or the rugged Ultra 2, the processing experience is identical. Keywords: snappy wearable performance, seamless multitasking watch, flagship wearable chipset. Battery capacity scales with size. Model battery size runtime under mixed use. Watch 8 300 mAh, 24 hours.